Feeling the pinch as your battery drips ever lower? Have no fear. With PowerShare, your Galaxy phone can wirelessly charge another phone, Galaxy Watch, or Galaxy Buds. First, make sure your Galaxy that will charge the other device has at least 30% battery life. Next, swipe down from the top of your screen with 2 fingers to open Quick Settings. Tap the wireless power sharing icon to activate PowerShare. If the icon's not there, press the plus sign icon. Drag wireless PowerShare from available buttons down into your menu and tap on it. Your Galaxy is now ready to charge. Place the PowerShare phone back to back with the compatible device. You can also charge your Galaxy phone while it charges the other device. When it's time to stop charging, simply separate the two from each other. So if your battery's running low, it's PowerShare to the rescue.